No, I wasn't down here yesterday due to other family commitments, but I can see they've got 2 new posts they put in the other week. They've tied that in with a further 6x2, so there looks like they've got to put another one along here. I don't know if they're going to put any more posts in here though. It doesn't look like they are. And then they can then put some new steps going in down there. I suspect when I'm here next weekend, that's what we'll be working on. So yeah, more video to follow. Quick update on the mooring. So yesterday we put these new weight bearers on. Took all of the old rest of the jetty out. So next job is new steps down to here, and then the plank kit. You may be thinking or asking why we've got the 2 levers there. Well, because these posts aren't quite in line, we couldn't get the post running all the way on the inside, so we first ran it all the way on the outside, but then we thought, well, there's no way to get one of those slider poles for the mooring lines on this pole here, on this post here. So we cut it, put it on the inside. It's forward one, but it won't matter because you're going to have the bow of the boat there, so it won't be touching anywhere near that. So yeah, that's where it is so far. A bit more work to do. It took 4 weeks, but it's all done. Ready for a sailboat that goes into this mooring. So 4 weeks, good team effort. Yeah, on to the next job. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know what you think, and any other suggestions, thoughts, do let me know. If you haven't subscribed to the channel, please do so. And until next time, take care. Bye bye.